Hi and welcome to our next video. In this video, we're going to be introduced to a new tool that we're going to use in class. We are going to learn this tool so we can learn about basic elements of programming. This is called P5, and what it is a JavaScript library. And you might have heard of Java before, maybe you've heard of JavaScript. Processing, or P5, is a JavaScript library, and we're going to use it to make different programs. What I really like about this is it involves a lot of visual things that we can build and we could post on a website. So it really involves a lot of creativity and a lot of art, which most of us like. And while doing the art, we're actually learning about programming. So this is the tool that we are going to use next. Now, when you go to this website, p5js.org, you can read the introduction here, and you can see that we can download this, or we can actually use this here. Start creating with the P5 editor. What I like about this is it does have a web editor. I don't have to download anything. I just need to go to this website, click on this, and I can start making programs. So in other words, as long as you have Google Chrome, you can go to this website and you can program if you have a Chromebook, if you're on a Windows machine, if you have a Mac machine. So you can use any different device as long as we can get to a browser. So when you go in, and if I go to start creating with this editor, it's going to ask you over here to sign up. So first thing you need to do is go and sign up. You can just use your Google account to sign up. That's what I've done. And when you do that, it opens up this window. And basically what it's done is it's put in what we call a small sketch. A sketch is just some code, and it puts in some default code here, and it gives us this default name here. Well, I can go in and I can change that name, and you should. We should always name our programs so that they make sense. So make sure you go in here and rename the sketch that you're working on, the code that you're working on, so that it makes sense. When you want to save, we can go up to File and we can go Save, and it will save our sketch. So it will keep everything in memory. When we log back in, it will remember the sketches that we have here. If I want to run this code, I can do that by using this button right here. So I can click on the play button, and all that I see pop up is this square over here. Well, this is the actual output window. What it's done is it's created a canvas. A canvas is the output window, and it's created a certain size. And it's done that with this command here, create canvas. And what it's done is it's created a output window that's 400 pixels, given by this number, and in height, it's 400 pixels. So that's what this line of code does right here. It basically creates the size of the canvas, and we can change that if you want. Then what it does down here in this line is it creates a background color. And you can go in and you can change this number here, and you can actually change the output color, and you can rerun it, and you can see that we get a different color. All of a sudden it looks different in that window. So I can go in here, I can change that again, and I can run this, and you can see, it's actually made it even darker. So that's all this command does here. Basically just sets the background color. So this is a very simple sketch. All it does is create the canvas size. It creates a background color, but it doesn't do anything else. So this is the tool that we are going to use for the next few classes. There's lots of tutorials. If you want to go and learn more about P5, you can go to YouTube and we can do a search for P5 tutorial. You're going to see this individual here has 100 different videos on P5. So if you want more information on P5, please go to YouTube, learn more. Programming is all about learning on your own and finding things that interest you. There's no one person in the world that knows every single language and every single part of that language. You're going to start to investigate P5 and learn all about it. And you can do that on YouTube. So that's it for this tutorial. You're just going to make sure that you go in and you're going to sign up for P5. And then in the next video, we're going to learn about how we can create some more different things on this canvas. That's it for this video. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.